So you've seen what ODOO can do, and now you want to set up a demo. Well, we'll walk you through that, get you all set up, get you with some demo data so that you're good to go and can play around in it and see how it works. So pull up your browser, let's search ODOO demo, and we're going to scroll down till we see ODOO online trial. You can come about it a different way, but this works well for us. While we're here, we're only going to add one app. We don't need to add more than that for right now. We're going to click continue. I'm going to use my email. We're going to do do it yourself number 4, since we've done one before. We would like it to be in the US, at least for me. I would like it to be in the US. We're going to change this actually so it's in English first. And then we're going to go to the United States, which hasn't switched from French, but we know a little French. So we're going to go ahead and click start now. We're going to start getting this pretty little visualization. Just wait for it to finish. After a while, we're going to get to this. We'll go ahead and skip and start from scratch at this point. Okay, we're going to exit out of that. And we're in the website app. We're going to go back to the main page. From here, we're going to go ahead and install all the apps real quick. Okay, we've got everything here. We're going to go to list view. And we're going to go ahead and filter on this and say not installed. Okay, select all of these so that we get a nice complete demo database, and we're going to go ahead and install these. Yeah, this will probably take a while, so you may want to go take care of some other stuff and come back to this. And you may not believe it, but the application is actually loading. And we're back. You can see now that we come back to our main page, it is way more full. And we've got all these apps here that we can play with and mess around with. Another thing that we need to do, we need to go ahead and activate this. So go to your email, click the link in the email that they sent you, and make sure to activate this real quick. Just to make sure we're all on the same page, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. You can get your free mug if you want. I've already got mine. So we're going to go to the database and make sure we're good. And we are really pretty well set up here, okay? Okay, here's the last bit of what we want to do. So we want to go into settings, and we're going to go ahead and load some demo data here to make our lives easier. Okay, so scroll all the way down here. We're going to go ahead and activate the developer mode first. And once that's activated, we'll come in again and we'll scroll down. Now we've got this nice option to load demo data. Now this is going to load some demo products, sales, some different contacts. So it makes it easy if you're wanting to do a demo. So we'll go ahead and click this guy. Okay, and yep, it's just telling us that we can't reverse this. This is a demo that we want to play around in. If it's not something that you want to play around in, skip this step. This is a demo that we want to play around in. So we're going to go ahead and load that demo data. Yes, I understand the risks, and we'll let that populate for us. Again, this will take a second, but it is well worth it to wait. Okay, so the demo data may take a while to load, but once you have that, you have a nice demo database to work with. You have 15 days with the demo to go around and play with this, so make sure and use those wisely. If you get to the end of the 15 days and there's still some things that you haven't gotten to try out, just spin up another demo. There's nothing wrong with that. Finally, good luck. When you're done with this part, demoing ODOO and figuring out what you want to be able to do with it, and if ODOO can do that for you, go ahead and move on to my next video about evaluating how you want to implement ODOO. Thanks.